Welcome back to the devlog. Episode 2 is the 23rd of January 2026. The main thing that I've done is I've got the main outline for what I want to do with the game's story. If you see what's on the screen right now, it's just me writing the whole text file of it. I want 4 main things in this game. I want it to be scary, tense, I want people to be able to enjoy it a lot and have fun, and I also want the replayability of the game to be... That's probably one of the most important things, because I want it to be able to be replayed a lot. I don't know why, but I wrote down the storyline before I wrote the animatronics, so you'll see me add the animatronics in later, but the main storyline, I want it to be basically the FNAF 1 location, but it's a lot bigger in this universe, and it's a lot different. The office isn't down with 2 hallways. So it's going to be set in the 1990s, the very early 1990s, so I think I'm going to put it in 1993. Maybe 1992. Moving on. Yeah, I have been thinking about making it a Roblox game, mostly because I've been playing in not FL Studios. I've been playing in Roblox Studios for a bit, getting used to that game engine. I have made like a really basic map on it, and the coding's using Lua U, I'm pretty sure, and so it's different to C. I think C#'s used with Unity. Alright, moving on from the plot stuff, like the game plan. Let's look at the maps. So I've changed the map design a lot. The video in the background right now is me making design 2. So it's a lot different to what we actually got, like what I actually managed to get to with design 3. But design 2 is mostly me playing around with different designs, and then eventually you'll see in the actual final design that I have, design 3, I added more rooms onto the top left side of it, next to the backstage and safe room, because I thought it'd look a bit nicer if it was like a more rectangular. I wanted the main dining hall to be a bit bigger than in the first design, because in the first design it looked more boxy. I wanted it to be a bit longer because if you think about it, it's a place where a lot of people are going to be, so there should be a lot of room instead of it being that small. But yeah, I just added a few more things, tried to get rid of more dead space, and then when I added the vents, because I did say I wasn't going to add vents, but then I decided to add them, mostly because of the mango. I wanted the mango to go into that storage closet. I mean, now looking at it, I forgot to add the vent there, but there's meant to be a vent next to the puppet box in prize corner. But yeah, mango was going to go in there, and she's gonna start like slowly lifting the puppet's lid, so it speeds up the puppet. So you have to go there and wind it up. Well, you have to scare Mango by flashing your light on her, and then wind the box up. So talking about in the next devlog, I want 2 of these 3 things. I want to design the map in Unity. I want to like get the whole map layout into Unity. I also want to learn how to actually script a player's movements, because in the last one I used someone else's from a YouTube video. I just copy pasted it into Visual Studio and then put the script in the game. I also want to look into some Blender tutorials so I can add smaller, simpler objects. I'm not going to go straight towards the designs of the animatronics yet, because I've barely used Blender. That's just probably going to be the biggest thing that I need to learn, other than the coding on the other side. So yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know when the next devlog will be, but it will be out maybe next month, 2 months.